What if the secret to happiness was something your brain is actively fighting against? This can create a constant internal conflict, but you can override that default program. The key is a science called neuroplasticity. In this video, I will give you the blueprint to do just that. Do you ever feel stuck on a happiness treadmill? You are running hard, but staying in the same emotional place. This feeling is incredibly common and deeply exhausting. The problem is not your effort, it is your approach. Lasting happiness is not found, it is built. Through neuroplasticity, you can physically change your brain's structure. Forget overwhelming lists of things to do. Today, we are giving you a simple, powerful 4-part happiness blueprint. This framework makes you the architect of your own mind. Let us start with the foundation of the blueprint, the code that runs your thoughts. This is the first pillar, thought habit. Your brain uses mental shortcuts to decide what to focus on. For many of us, the default is a bug-spotting code, constantly scanning for problems. This is that old survival programming at work. A powerful way to rewrite this code is through gratitude. Neuroscientists find that practicing gratitude activates your prefrontal cortex. This is your brain's center for emotional regulation. By consistently looking for things you are thankful for, you retrain your attention. You switch your focus from spotting bugs to finding features. You are carving new, positive neural pathways, making happiness feel more automatic. Next, we move to Pillar 2, action habits. Our brains are wired to reward action. This is because of a powerful neurotransmitter called dopamine. Many think dopamine is pleasure, but it's really about motivation. It's released when you anticipate a reward, driving you to act. The secret is to leverage this with tiny wins. Forget about paralyzing goals. Instead, focus on micro-mastery. For example, instead of get organized, just tidy one drawer. When you complete that small task, your brain gives you a hit of dopamine. This creates a powerful feedback loop. You acted, you felt good, and now you are motivated for more. Each small win proves to your brain that you are capable and effective. Find the smallest win, celebrate it, then repeat. If you're passionate about building a better life by understanding your mind, subscribe to join our community.